Good evening. I am Dinakar Raj from ECE A section, subject C programming, topic about keywords and identifiers, and my hall ticket number 20951 A0442. So the first topic is what is keyword in C programming. So we are going to know about keyword. In this video, we will learn about keywords. Keywords are predefined reserved words used in C programming language that have a special meaning. Keywords are part of the syntax. These reserved words not to be used as a constants or variables or any other identifier names. For example, int temperature. Here, int is a keyword that indicates temperature is a variable of a type integer. As C is a case sensitive language, all keywords must be written in lower case. Here is a list of all keywords allowed in ANSI. Int temperature, float area. Here int and float is in lowercase. It is an example. Keywords in C language: auto, break, case, character, continue, do, default, constant, double, else, enum, extern, for, if, go to, float, int, long, register, or return, signed, static, short, struck, switch, type, def, union, void, while, volatile, unsigned. These are the keywords in C language. Keyword in program. Hashtag include stdio.h, int main, opening bracket, closed bracket, float, f is equals to 6.6 semicolon, print f, return 0. And the keywords in this program: int, float, return. As you can see in the program, these are the keywords in the one. And next topic is what is identifier. What is identifiers? A C definer identifier refers to name used to identify a variable, function, structures, or any other user-defined item or entity. Identifier must be unique. They are created to give unique name to a entity, item, variable, name of identity during the execution of the program. Identifier names must be different from keywords because keywords are predefined reserved words used in programming. First, for example, you cannot use double as an identifier because double is a keyword. Identifier example: int roll number, double percentage marks, float average. Here roll number, percentage marks, average are identifiers. Here are some other examples of acceptable identifiers: Zakir, Ram, ABC, movie name AB123, my name 50 temperature, B, A666, B9, some average multi. So these are the identifiers in the C language. And this is also another example for the C language, for the identifiers, which we can see in the C language. Rules for writing an identifier. The first letter of an identifier should be either a letter or an underscore. A valid identifier can have letters, both uppercase and lowercase letters, digits and underscores. There is no rule on length of an identifier. However, the first 31 characters of the identifier are significant by the compiler. Must not contain white space. Cannot use keywords as a identifier. So these are the rules for writing an identifier in C language. Identifiers in programming. So you can see on the screen the identifiers in C programming. Here is a program about identifiers, and the output is value of C semicolon 2. Press any key to continue. In this example, identifiers are variable 1, variable 2, and variable 3. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.